Good night. I have never performed because I have not had a housemate. I have not graduated 8 years professional because I have minimum 8 semesters. I have not traveled yet by plane because I am embarrassed at height. A high never eating salmon because it is very expensive. I have never traveled to the United States market because I do not have passport. I have not finished college yet because I started to take a mind. I have I have to I have not traveled Cartagena because I improved my college in the business art. I have already I have already traveled to Caramanga because it was very important to me and it was why improve more smiley. I already graduated as technical and commercial and financial process. It is very important since it allows me to improve my experiences. He already traveled to Barbosa Santander because my best friend lives there. I already did because I was visualizing magnetic big company with which I work.